Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live session on this beautiful Wednesday. We are back on live trading Nasdaq futures, and today we will trade with the Lux Algos indicator, and the market just opened with the gap up here. We have a couple of fair value gaps. Let me just set my screens in a minute, then we will start trading. Today looks very nice and so excited to trade with you guys here. Let me just pull out my screens. All right, so I hope you guys are feeling well and okay. And all right, so I just took a one position just before the market opened. It was a easy trade, and we just make a $130 on the Nasdaq. So far so good, I can't complain. Let me see, I hope you guys are feeling well and okay. Let me see what's going on here on the market now. Let me pull up the chart. Hello Hazal, welcome to the live session. So my only position was the market just before the market opened like 2 hours ago, and it was a very small position. So the target is now, I think the market looking bullish to me. Okay. Wow, market just skyrocketing with the market open here. It would be nice if we see some pullback here. All right, let me see who is in the house now. I'm just about to pass another challenge on the Apex and on the Take Profit Trader, also looking good. Need a couple $1,000 here. This is a very aggressive in opening, by the way. Good morning, Super Mario. Good morning, Abdussalam and Music 720. So, hope you guys are feeling well and good. Alright, we are using price action concepts and signals and overlays here. So all the settings are as you see on my screen. So we have a nice push up in the market open. That was the trade I took. We just broke the previous day high and the previous week high. Honestly, is it worth to buy Lux Algo? 100% yes. Whether you are beginner or advanced trader, it will help you a lot while you make your trading decisions. So, highly suggest you guys check that out. Okay, market is still wanna go up. We have a 4 classified buy signal with the fair value gap here at the market open. Very strong signal here. We couldn't catch it, but it will repeat itself. No need to rush. It will be nice if we see pullback here. Watching the market on 1 minute time frame. This was a very nice trade. I think market will reach to this point, then we can look for a pullback. Just low. Can you tell me indicator name? So we are using Laxalgos Premium Toolkit today, and it's very nice. Highly suggest you guys check it out. If you guys don't like it, you can get your refund in 30 days, no questions asked. So let me just put the link in the chat so you guys can check out if you want. The settings are actually quite simple. If you want to learn more, also you can just go and check out my Laxalgos videos. Today we are using signals and overlays with 24 sensitivity. We have enabled the catcher and tracer, and the AI classifier is enabled with 1 2 3 4. So this is how it looks like. If you go to price section, concepts here, and I have enabled the order blocks, the buy sell activity, the breakers, and the most important here is the fair value gaps and the highs and lows. I have enabled all of them, so that's the settings you need to use. And if you want to just improve your settings, you can always enable the backtesting system, and which you can give you the win rate, the profit, the trades, and the ideal sensitivity with just one click. So it's very easy. All right, so what's going on with the markets? I want to see the price just clear out this if it is possible. It's already touched to that zone. Let me just let me see. I think it's already clear out. It's 95.25. This is the New York PM session high from the 17th of April. So we got a one bearish fair value gap for now, and we watching on the 1 minute. Let me see. No position taken yet. Okay, these are the last down close candles. So far so good. Come on, push it down. Just initiate a short here. We have a couple of fair value gaps. Looking juicy to me. Awesome trade here. Alright, just quick in and out, guys. Quick in and out. $420 profit now. That was nice, to be honest. So we got a 2 classified sell signal. Sometimes I get this question, why you just entering early before the signal? Because I have this target here. This was the New York AM, right? So it took it out, so it's a PM session high. Price just took out this liquidity, and we see the bearish fair value gap with the breaker confirm, and then we jumped. So why I exited early? Because we could keep it longer until down here. Maybe we will just come here. So the reason is I only initiate one position. Look at the drop here. Oh boy. Just like we talked, so the price now reached that point. We should keep it longer, by the way. The profit is profit. Now the account is sitting on $52,364. Very good. Press pushing up. So we clear out this low here. We clear out this low here. So we have this one. Actually, this is more accurate. Let's see. Everything done live here. If you guys are wondering how I see the New York AM and PM session and all that stuff, it's very easy. I use one setup for live from the Malk, and if you just enable it, I make it 15. So the New York, okay. If you make it apply, and if you make 15 minutes, so you will see that the Asia, the London, all the sessions, you can see it from here. It's very easy. It's so nice tool. The setups are working like a clockwork here. Easy trades. Another day, another profit. Very good. I wish I took also this position on the take profit trader. I always forgot to take a trade. I started using them and wanna pass the challenge to see how it goes, how did it work. Okay, so I guess something like this will be appropriate. I think risk reward here is 2.3. I don't know. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. I am here to answer your questions for free. So in the halfway of this, actually, I expect a rejection, but will not take a position. It's just an idea. Something 6.4. Okay. It's a 50-50 chance here. I'm doing some scalp on my take profit trader account. Do you offer mentorship programs for trading? Not yet, but I'm considering it. If you guys are interested, do let me know. We can make something up, like a very small group of people. I don't know, it something can be like a 1 month mentorship program with 5 or 10 people, so I can, make sure everyone understands. Are you in a position? I have closed my position here. You can see my entry exits on TradingView, also in the trader weight. Very nice day, to be honest. Okay. You see the price it's respecting the halfway of this fair value gap here. As long as it keeps below, I'm bearish. If we go above it, we will become a bullish. So this week was interesting. Okay, so 2 trades, 4 contracts, bang. Okay, I think market is reversing. What time is it now? It's like a reversal time. Yeah, it's like a deja vu, the whole market. because it does the same thing over and over again. But still, if we don't close the body above this fair value gap, we can still clear out this lows over here. Ten seconds for this candle. You know, we can just decrease the sensitivity here. In the AM session, you can, you know, play around with your sensitivity. I think like somewhere between 15 and 20 is nice. Why nothing is changed here? 18, yeah, it's more accurate now. Look at this crazy guy over here. Look at this crazy guy. This is in last up close candle. We have a breaker here, right? So easy. With the fair value gap, I want to see this candle come and retest this, so maybe we can, you know, do something about it. It's weird hearing words. Yeah, you're right. You know what happened? I fall asleep just before the market opened, so that's why I kinda late and couldn't pull myself off. So still like feeling like sleepy, but you're right. In the live sessions are mostly calm because, you know, watching the market on pure attention here, because, you know, when the people watching you and trying to learn something from you, you don't want to do a mistake here, right? But welcome to live session, Matt. Glad to see you. So this position idea is something like this, but it's not worth risk reward ratio. Here I guess 1.5. We have a 2 PD array here. We have a bullish breaker. We have a bullish fair value gap here. And we can see that the catcher and tracer returns to green, and we got a 3 classified signal. It's a little bit late here, but you cannot always catch the signals. That's why I always say you need to follow the price action and confirm with the indicators always. If price will go up, actually it will just crash this high, right? So the 1 to 2 will be looking juicy here, but we can get rejection here again. Ladies and gentlemen, so quick sum up here. We have shorted the market with everything goes well. The same strategy, the same setup that I'm using like 3 months or 4 months. We see the fair value gap, we clear out the high. This is very important. The price needs to clear out some significant high. So this was a New York PM session high from the 2 days ago, and then we saw a sell signal and we saw a bearish fair value gap. Then boom, we initiate the short. That sell signal was here, so we didn't wait the sell signal and we closed here. We closed with this low. Easy like that, so not so complicated. So this giving us some nice premium here. So now it full something, and maybe I hate when it does this. Okay. The changing bias. You know, in those days, I saw a lot of people telling me that you should, yeah, you know, you always putting those some screenshots and not trading live. I don't know why they just don't go to the YouTube live section and watch my live sessions here, because we have a nice win rate, I guess, and we are using the same strategy. Price is chopping around here. So there are a couple of things, but they are not so important in my opinion, right? So, but inversion plus, oh, you know, when I trade, sometimes I mostly feels like it's like a deja vu, and is it really that simple? Why everyone can just make money from the market? I think the answer is very simple, because everyone makes it so complicated. So you guys are messed up with, you know, pulling the charts, plotting the lines. I think that's the reason. But trust me, it's so easy. This iPad screen is killing me. Okay, I want to see on the 15-minute here. I think we get the rejection. I think the price will come for this before it take out. Maybe, I don't know. Still now in a position. These are just the ideas, okay? Just don't go enter a position, because I didn't go in yet. And anyway, you will see it here. Even I took a trade from the trader weight, it will plot automatically in my TradingView, so you guys can see clearly. But as always, these are not a financial advice, and you should not copy my trades. Okay, Matt has a question. Would you set the stop loss always at the previous high or low, or at a set amount like say 30 pips? Let me think. I think I never use a set amount like, let's say 30 pips, like you said. I always plot my stop loss to the recent swing or resistance or support line that make more sense. That, like, let's do an example here. We have took a short here, so my stop loss was this fair value gap, right? And my take, just remove this, so we, and so in that scenario we targeted this low of the market, then boom, I think we have entered somewhere like here, but you got the idea. I always use recent support, resistance, supply, demand, whatever you want to call it, but most of the time I always, you know, put my stop loss just above the fair value gap. And the most important thing, I always close my positions manually, because sometimes the wicks come out of this fair value gap, stop you out, then move in your direction. So I don't want to see that. That's why I always manage my stop loss manually. Okay, we have an unfinished business, ladies and gentlemen, which we'll hear. Okay, let's make it big. I hope you understand, Matt. It's so simple. If I enter a short, I put my stop loss here, ideal stop loss, the market's in a move, it's looking juicy, it's nice. Hi music, just give me a minute. I will take a look at that. Choppy price action. Let's see. I really expect the price clear out these lows. You see what I'm talking about? Just, push you out from the market. Wow. The second week just above the fair value gap here. Interesting. It seems like price will just go down. Now your question. Gold. All right. Let me see the gold. Where is my reset chart wave? Okay. I think this is a healthy correction. Is the price will continue to go down? I will look out for this fair value gap, to be honest. This is a 4-hour chart, by the way. So, you know, I think I will put my stop loss somewhere here. If we just, you know, clear out this, the fair value gap, I think I will become a bearish, but for now, I'm still bullish on 4-hour time frame, on the higher time frames, right? And if you look on the lower time frames, like a 15-minute, we have a Monday high here. It was a huge drop on the gold, but I think that 2024 will be year of gold, so I will not be fearful when I trade gold. So I'm bullish on the gold still. If I was you, I will become a swing trader with the low leverage. So with that way, we can target and we can, you know, maintain a more profit. This is what I think. This is a crap price action. Okay. So what it's trying to do here, it's you know, the thing here is I was trading the pre-market, like I said, and I saw that the whole market, I mean Dow Jones, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq was kind of uncorrelated. And if you look at now, even so, the Nasdaq is up 0.7%, ES is 0.15, and Dow Jones is red. So what is this? It is non-correlated market, so that kind of days you don't want to take aggressive trades. So you want to keep it low risk, that kind of days. And but we survived because we solved the position here and we just took it. It was easy trade. But now look at this. What is this price action? Come on. The wicks are everywhere. We hate to see those wicks. If you want to go up, please go up. If you want to go down, please do it. It's 10:25. Okay. Okay, I made a $252 from the take profit trader also today. It's zigzagging now. Look how it respected the breaker here. Previous day high showing a resistance here. The worst thing in trading those wicks, you know. This choppiness will drive you crazy. You took a trade, it starts ranging, all the wicks are here, and it sometimes stops you out but never give you the take profit. You start making a revenge trade, then you blow the account. That's how it goes. Be careful. Don't rush yourself. We don't wanna in a trade right now. Whether it is long or short doesn't matter. Let me see where we are at now. We are basically the middle of the high and low. So it give us nothing. Oh. Still believe that this will tank down here. I think the market wanna clear out. I'm hovering my mouse to click the button. Just something feels not right. Come on, one more time you will touch here. We'll take a trade on. Come on, 42. So if you guys remember, this was our draw liquidity point. Still waiting. I want to see bold fat candles. Ooh. Let's wait this candle close here. Tough day. Problem is the market clear out these bearish fair value gaps and it doesn't feel right now. You know, it can do anything now because I need to see one more confirmation. I don't want to break my rules here. Most probably it will clear out just like in 2 candles or so. Just got rejected from the Fibonacci again. Come on, move it. This moves very fast. Okay, wanna see the drop big candle here, please. Finally, we have some small, tiny fair value gap. It's like a 60% down, 40% up scenario in my opinion, but I don't know. Choppiness and madness. How much for the one contract? $600. Okay. I made a quick scalp again. $472 on the another account. Okay, we clear out again. The days like these are you when you see a profit that it fits you, you just take away and leave. So that's what I did. I think still nice day. We are profit on the total like $900 combining two accounts. I'm very happy actually, and we followed the rules. We did everything correctly, and this is my final target for now. I don't know if the price wanna come. Enter again. So the last down clown can so these fair value gaps are nice. My exit was 80. Chopping. Okay, it clear out this low, right? And if we see a bullish fair value gap, so it is a total different scenario. Strange. I think yeah, tomorrow and Friday we have a high impact news. So the day before a high impact news is like a little bit choppy, and if you go back to from the Asia session to New York AM session, you can see that price is very choppy. If you even look at on the 1 minute, you will see that all these the candles going up down, but if you make it like 5 minutes, it's better. All right, so I think I'm done for the day, guys. That was it. Thank you guys for joining me today. It was a very nice live session. We took a one trade live here, and it was very profitable trade. It suits all our rules. We didn't gamble. We just played out by the plan. And thank you guys for joining. I hope you guys catch you soon again. So this is my target for now. And if you want to take it, play it safe. And until